Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be doing a corset cup illustration. This video is very important, especially if you're learning how to make corset with the bra cups, okay, drafting your own bra cups, bearing in mind that there are different styles of bra cups. Trust me, there are so many. So this video is going to take us through a particular kind of bra cup that will be coming up shortly. I'll just be showing you how it looks like. Yes, this is the bra cup we are going to be illustrating for this tutorial. I have on one side the finished product and the other side the drafted pattern. Okay, yes, so a lot of times it can be quite confusing, which is which, what is what, and all that. This video handles it all. Okay, so I'll be showing you the terms are please permit me to say that the terms I'll be using are not the general, it's not a general term. Okay, I'll just be using it as an illustration to help our understanding. Yes, so I have this part marked in red. I like to call this part the highest point of the bra cup. That is for this particular style of corset. Okay, so look at it and in the drafted pattern. So when you're drafting your pattern, look at these two cups divided into two. You can see that the cups are divided into two, and you have it as well in the finished work. So that is it at that center line. Now that upper part, when it comes together, when those two parts come together, it gives you this upper part of the corset. So that is it. So the next thing I have is the center line, which I kind of spoke about. When you join these two cups together, this is the center line you have. Okay, so just look at it at the drafted pattern and the same thing in the finished work, and there you have it. You join those two parts together, you get this bra cup. Now can you see? Now this should give you an idea of what goes on when you're drafting your pattern. It's like a two-in-one cup. The next thing I have is the should I say under let me call it the foot of the bra cup. Yes, that's a good term to use. Is the foot of your corset cup rather. So that is it. So when these two parts are joined together, you have it at the foot. Remember at the beginning, the red part marked, when you join it together, that other part is the upper part, and then this part marked green is the foot of the bra cup. I hope you understand this. The next thing I marked in purple, that is the distance between two cups. Okay, now look at it in the drafted pattern. Okay, so when your paper is folded into two and you mark the point where you where the corset meets the first cup, where it meets at that middle point, that is the separation between two cups. When we go into the pattern drafting for the video, you understand. Keep following so that you get notified when I drop it. Now I marked yellow by the sides. If you can see, by the sides of the bra cup I marked yellow. So where you have yellow on the finished work is where it is represented on the drafted pattern. So that part extended is the sides of the bra cup, bearing in mind that for a female bust, the side of the bra cup is usually bigger than the center of the bra cup. So you have your bust fuller at that side and smaller in the center. In the center is the side that is close to the one in purple. Where I marked white, those are the joining lines. Now you can see that represented in the drafted pattern. So that side, actually, when you're cutting your pattern, that's center side I colored white. Is actually not necessary. That is the dot that helps to create your corset cup. Now when you cut that out and you join those two pieces together, you are going to be getting these lines you have by the side. Okay, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and you won't regret it. Now I marked the center line. You can see it, this color, I really don't know what to call it, but I know it's a shade of green. So it's marked at the center. Now that is your paper folded. Okay, so if you want to have that line, this looks like this finished work looks like a bias in the middle. Okay, so if you want to have that line, you can just place your bias in the middle and then you just attach it to your work. There are so many other ways to do it. If you choose to divide, all you just need to do is to add an allowance and you have that line in the middle. Okay, so I have the side lines in blue and you can see that marked in the drafted pattern. So when you're done with your corset and you do the final shaping, that is the marking as represented on the drafted pattern. Okay, so this is just an illustration, like I said earlier, to understand your pattern drafting. If there's any other thing I said that you're lost, please feel free to take the video back and you will understand. Any questions, drop in my comment section and I'll attend to them. Okay, so there you have it. All parts of our, let me say most parts of our corset is explained. I really hope you understand it. Please, if you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell, because I'll be dropping in so many many amazing content you won't want to regret. And I plan to take the corset tutorial step by step, so definitely you're going to be expecting more. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.